guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 4 Module 3 Lesson 34 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, use the associative property to rewrite each expression. Solve using discs and then complete the number sentences. Alright, so A, we have 20 times 34. So first we're going to put parentheses around 20. We're going to break it apart. So blank times 10, that's the 20. And then we're doing the times 34. So what times 10 is 20? 2 times 10 is 20. So 2 times 10 times 34. Now we're kind of moving the parentheses over to the 10 and the 34. So we keep the 2, but it's kind of like we shift the parentheses off into a new set of numbers, 10 and 34. So now really we're thinking about 2 times 10 times 34 is 340. And 2 times 340 will give us 680. So that is our answer. If we want to show our work using discs, then first we have 34. That's 3 10s, 4 1s. So first we're going to multiply them by 10, because 10 times 34. So we take this, move it over here, times 10. That's 3 in the hundreds place. We move our 1s here, times 10. That is 4 in the tens place. Okay, but we're not done yet. We're also doing times 2. So we just draw the same thing again, but to show that we're doubling it. So now we have 6 hundreds and 4 tens. So that's 6 hundreds, for 8 tens, and we have 0 ones, 680. So our answers match up. Let's look at B now. We have 30 times 34. So we're breaking apart the 30 into 3 times 10, and then times 34. So now using associative property, we're moving the parentheses over to 10 and 34. So the 3 stays the same. Now we're multiplying 10 and 34. So really that would be 3 times 10 times 34, that's 340. And when we do that, we get, 3 times 300 is 900, and 3 times 40 is 120. So our answer should be 1020. But let's take it to the place value chart. So originally we have 34, that's 3 10s and 4 1s. So first we're going to do times 10. So take this over, times 10. Okay, after we've done the times 10, now we're going to times 3. So we're just going to draw this 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the 4 10s, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So we have 3 of these and 3 of these as well. So we have 0 thousands. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hundreds. We have 12 tens. So actually, it's not 900s. We've got to regroup. My bad. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we take this, and this will become 1 in the next place value. So this will become 100. And actually, when we have 900 plus 1, that's 1000. So this whole thing can regroup into 1000. So we have 1000, 0 100 left, 2 10s, and 0 1s. So 1020. Alright, C. We have 30 times 42. So we're breaking apart the 30 into 3 times 10, and then times the 42. So that's 3 times 10 times 42. We're shifting the parentheses over. So that's more like 3 times 420 and that will give us 3 times 400 is 1,200. So 3 times 420, that would be 1,600. Because, actually, oops. See on the side, 420 times 3, 0. Yeah, 1,260. But let's take it to the place value chart. We have 42. That's 4 10s and 2 1s. So first multiply everything by 10. Now multiply everything by 3. So now let's regroup. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can take this 10 to become 1 in the next place value. Now we have 1,000, 200s, 6 10s, and 0 1s. 1,260. Alright, next page. Number 2. Use the associative property and place value discs to solve. A, we have 20 times 60. So let's break apart 20. So now we have 2 times 10. That's 20, and then times 16. So let's use the associative property. We're going to move the parentheses over to 10 and 16. Now we have 2 times 10 times 16, which is more like 2 times 160. Oh, equal, which will be 320. Let's do our place value discs. We have our 1s, and our 10s, and our 100s. So 16, that's 1 10, 6 1. First, multiply everything by 10. Times 10. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. But also, we double everything, so draw it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. So let's regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will be 100. Now I have 300, 2 10s, and 0 1s. So 320 is our answer. And go ahead and box that. Alright, B. Now I have 40 times 32. Break apart the 40. That's 4 times 10 and times 32. Equals 4 times, now we have 10 times 32. So that's 4 times 320. And we do that, that should give us 1,280. But let's do our place value charts. Okay, we have our 1s, 10s, 100s, and our 1000s. First, we have 32, that's 3 10s, 2 1s. And we're going to multiply everything by 10. And then we're going to draw everything 3 more times, because we already have a copy of it. Now we have to make sure it's 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we have 4 of these, and we need 4 of these. Alright, so now let's regroup. This one is not enough to regroup, but this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can regroup this one. That'd be 1,000. So 1,000, 200s, 8 10s, and 0 1s. So that is our answer. Alright, and number 3, Use the associative property without place value discs to solve. So same thing except no discs. A, we have 30 times 21. Let's break apart 30 into 3 times 10, and then times 21. So now we move the parentheses over to 10 times 21. So that's 3 times 210, which is 630. So 630 is our answer. All right, and B, break apart 60 into 6 times 10 times 42. Now move the parentheses over. That's 6 times 10 times 42. So that's basically 6 times 420. And we do that, our answer, will give us 400 times 6 is 2400, so that's 2400. And then 20 times 6 is 120. So 42 times 6 will be 2520. Alright, number 4, use a distributive property to solve the following. Distribute the second factor. Alright, so A, we have 40 times 43. That's 40 times 40 plus 40 times 3. Because we're multiplying the tens first, then the ones. 40 times 40, we know 4 times 4 is 16. And also there's the 2 zeros at the end, so that would be 2 zeros at the end of 16. So that's 1,600 plus 4 times 3 is 12, and add the 0 at the end. We add that together, that would be 1,720. Alright, and B, we have 70 times 20 first, and then plus 70 times 3, because we're multiplying the 2 tens and then the 3 ones. That's equal to 7 times 2 is 14, and add the 2 zeros at the end. 1,400 plus 7 times 3 is 21, and add the 0 at the end. 1,400 plus 210, that's 1,610. So that would be our answer. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!